Okay, so for number 2, we have this diagram where there is one object that goes from 10 meters to 6 meters, and we are asked to find the work done by the gravitational field or by gravity. So this is the force of gravity. It's F equals negative mg. So it's negative because obviously it's going down. So we know that the work is the force in the direction of the displacement by the displacement. And the force in the direction of the displacement, the force in the direction of the displacement is mg, and it's positive because we're going from a higher to a lower. So we're going in the direction of the force. And then the displacement is actually 4 because 10 minus 6 is 4. So the force that the gravity does, or the gravitational force does, is, or the work that it does, is mg times 4. Now, knowing this, we can go ahead and find the velocity that it goes from y1 equaling 10 to y2 equaling 6. So we can write the equation that mg times 4 is equal to the change in the kinetic energy, or 1/2 mv final squared minus 1/2 mv initial squared. Now, 1/2 mv initial squared is 0 because we know from the question that the object is at rest. So what we're left with is just mg4 equals 1/2 mv final squared. Now we can cross out the m's, and we just have that g times 4 equals 1/2 v final squared. Now, if we solve this, we'll have that v is equal to the square root of 8 times g, or gravity, which we know is 10. So that's 8 times 10, which is 80. So we have the square root of 80, which is approximately 9 meters per second. And that's the velocity that the object goes from y1 10 to y2 6.